Be sure to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.
Hi everybody, it's StephanieGrams with Sewing with Steam LLC. I am an Ohio-based 100% online sewing business, and I am currently producing pet bandana product line. So each probably every 30 to 45 days I introduce a new product line, and if you go to my Etsy shop you'll see the product line that I introduced from the beginning of this year and up until current. So the point of this video is branding your product line. One way to brand your product line is by your product labels. There are scads, and yes, that's a real word, of options for your product label labeling, right? I mean, there's the fabric, there's the sew-in, there's the iron-on, there's the stamps, there's the heat press, there's all different types. Well, for this project, for my dog bandana pet bandana, let me tell you why I corrected myself. The pet bandanas that I have right now are for dogs, cats, and goats, okay? And so these pet bandana products that I'm making right now, I needed to brand those with my product tags. And let me show you what I'm talking about. These are sew-in tags. Now, I design these myself. I design them and I print them. I cut them myself in my studio. You can order them. You can have a different company take care of that for you. But for my purposes, I'm doing it myself for this product line. Not to say that a future product line, I might outsource it to somebody else, but for this product line, I chose to do it myself. Let me explain why. The reason I'm taking the time to design, edit, print, and cut my own tags is because I have very specific pet bandanas that I'm working with, and I have a very limited amount of each of these fabric that I have. The fabric is not readily available to everybody, so just to make it an easier video. When you're working with fabric that is limited in design and color, sometimes having a fabric label, a product label, to match it adds a little something more to the item. So this is the extra large bandana, pet bandana. I'm sorry if it's too hard to see on camera. All right. And if you look real closely, it is a country, like Western battlefield type of fabric. It has a lot of greens and natural browns, and I absolutely love this green. This is the back of it. All right, but so the fabric label I designed today for it is in the same color green as the front and the back of this pet bandana. And the only thing I put on here, and let me show you the sheet, is Sewing with Steam LLC, which is my company name. And then the website, I said at sewingwithsteamllc.com. Now, you can do whatever you want with yours. I just wanted to make it very simple. That way, if somebody is walking their dog or showing their goat, they know, hey, this is the lady, this is the company that manufactured this pet bandana. All right, so now I will show you what I used. Let me reach over here and get this for you. Right here. It is the June Taylor Sew-In Inkjet Fabric Sheets. All right, that's what I used. I am pretty sure that I bought this at Walmart, so I'm gonna stick with that. And they do have iron-on ones, but for the pet bandanas, I think the wear and tear, I think they'll do better as a sew-in. Again, you do you, all right? I'm not going to say there's a right or a wrong way to do it. I used the Word document, so Microsoft, for this particular one, and I just created it, printed it from my HP inkjet, and cut them out. You do have options like Google Drive or Google Docs has free Microsoft Word document option, and then Canva, Canva.com. Canva is a really, it's an important tool for my design business. I use it for everything, and you can just look it up and see everything that they offer. If you have any questions, you can post them below this video. Otherwise, you can reach me on my website. It's either StephanieGrams.com or SewingWithSteamLLC.com. Bye, guys.
Thank you for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.